Yo, Chad, welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are locked in. Today, going to be a good one. Markets are definitely alive. And to close off, we are zoning in on 11K. I have no doubt we're going to get it. Chris, how you feeling, bro?
Dude, I'm solid. I think before we start, let's do the pass over of the torch. Okay, Chad. Like we said this morning, in the pocket, soft hands.
In the pocket, baby. Let's see Chris throws.
Chad.
There we go, guys.
Go, baby.
There we go. All right. Again, all locked in. We're just moving around. We were busy with a lot of content here today, so just getting everything locked and loaded and back in place. But as you'll say, guys, I think it's going to be a very, very good one today. Markets definitely coming alive now in New York. I'm going to give it over to my brother over there to open up in prayer for us before we get into the charts.
Beautiful, Chad. As always, privilege and an honor to be here with you guys every single day, and hope you guys feel the same. But before we start, let's get things started on the right way. Let's get ourselves covered. Let's get ourselves protected as we go into the session. And if you don't know yet by now, we do a prayer every morning, every evening, not because we want to, because we need to and we must. And we are doing things the right way. Yes. So, Father, thank you again for this day. Thank you for blessing us with healthy bodies, healthy minds. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to do what we love. Thank you for a beautiful community joining us here every single day, coming with open minds, open hearts to come and better themselves, not just personally, mentally, spiritually, but just overall trying to compel themselves to get to that next level. Father, we just pray that in this session you will guide us, that you will lead us, that you will give us wisdom, and that you will just give us a clean and pure, sound mind to make some good decisions here today. Father, we pray that you will keep your hand of protection and your hand of blessing over me, over Keegan, everyone in this office, everyone listening, everyone watching. Father, we pray that you will meet them right there where they are, and we want to just thank you, and we want to bring you honor, we want to bring you praise, and we want to bring you glory today and every single day. That is our wish and our mission. And we pray this not because we deserve it, Father, but purely because you are gracious and you are merciful, and you say that your grace and mercies are new every single day. So thank you for that, Father. Sorry, guys, and amen, amen, if you believe that.
There
we are ready, Keek.
That was it. So, yeah, guys, big one coming out. I think before we do anything, we are going to jump into the fundamentals and just show you guys exactly why these markets are coming alive. So let's go right.
Check it now quickly. 1 2 1
1
2
2 1 2, guys. Let me know there.
It should be fine. I don't know why our sound was choked there for a minute.
Okay. Oh, I don't know what okay means.
No, I think it's working now. Yeah,
better,
sorry, chat. I can
go.
see on the mixer. There was something off on the mixer.
Alright, so well, starting back, guys. So this is what we're looking at. Core retail sales. Very, very bullish outlook. And we're going to just show you guys why. So 0.5, they were expecting a 0.1. Came out 0.4, much higher than expected. Retail sales month on month. This was across the board. You've got bullish dollar. What this also does now is it works in hand with what Powell wants to see. This is kind of telling you that labor market isn't as bad as what people are thinking with, for example, those NFP numbers and things like that. So where people were were thinking of that big drop in the cuts of a 0.50, we are now definitely, in my book, we are looking at 0.25. That's almost a non-debatable now with these type of numbers coming out. So that played right into his hand. But that's where we are seeing now, if we go over to the charts, guys, we are seeing dollar come alive. Obviously, until we do this, I'm just going to go on the 4 hour. We spoke about this, the key level over there, the fact we couldn't get away from it further down, coming right back up from the initial breakaway. And again, daily pivot, all that up here. Monthly S1 being tested back at the daily key level. Daily R3 being tested and continuing. As I said, this is a big, big result for the dollar. I wouldn't be surprised. Maybe New York, we can even see a little bit of a pullback, probably around the weekly pivot. And then again, I think dollar is going to come back into it. So we're just going to keep an eye out for that one very shortly. Over to NAS. Again, remember guys, we're talking retail sales here, so we are going to see indices have a bit of a boost as well. Now, the difference, bro, we need to have that indicator sorted. When we look at on indices, again, daily R2, so there was your continuation move. We are at this level of resistance now. So the big thing for me is, are we going to have a pullback? Because now we're going to see the dollar coming back with that CPI print. We're going to see everything really start to find its feet in again. So this was the initial boost. I know we talked about it a few times, but obviously there is a very, very nice gap open here. So good chance we can come all the way back down. Asia highs untested on the breakaway. We are at a level of support, which is this point still resistance, and go for that gap fill. So that is definitely on the cards for us to, even if we want to say go back for it, if anything, we could still go bearish to fill that, then get back above the Asia highs. That now becomes your retest and hold of Asia highs, and you can continue bullish after that. So I'm going to look for a little bit of short-term bearishness to start off with. US30, almost the same thing. Obviously, we've traded all the way back up now. We are at the monthly pivot, sorry. We are at the monthly pivot. Again, we spoke about this being a big area. Again, breakaway, no retest. So good thing we are right back in there now. Now this is where for me, I'm probably going to say I want to see us have a little bit of pullback. We're already at the weekly R2. As it is Thursday, we're getting to Friday. We're going to start wrapping the week up, getting those little bit of reversals back in the game, especially having quite an explosive week. So it has been quite good for us when we start looking at it that way. So on the 15, I wouldn't be surprised again, us going all the way back down to the daily R1, even that level over here from the initial breakaway. And again, even Asia highs all untested. So I wouldn't be surprised us doing something like that to test these type of levels before we can definitely either go bullish again, or is that the break below, because we say we're still the psychological level 40,000, and again EQ all of that underneath us, which is still untested at this point in time. So US 30, I'm actually going to say I'm a little bit more bearish on the day. As much as we are bullish, there we are talking the long-term games here. So we're just going to see what happens there. Then lastly with gold, gold is the one that's giving us that straight away one-way momentum going bearish. This is what we spoke about this morning. I do apologize guys, I can literally put that thing back up. Obviously we hit stop loss on that trade, and then obviously the big move coming in, like let's say half an hour, I think it's an hour afterwards, the big sell-off came in. We are seeing now, for me, the 4 hour turned around. As we said, that candle was obviously the one we were there, open up here, we got taken out there, and then literally now the big dump taken out with a close, taking out that little low over there. So we can definitely see the continuations from my side is what I'm going to be looking for. So on the 15, when we start dropping down here, very simple. If we can hold this level, if we can get underneath it and break below, there's the sell off I'll be looking for. Otherwise, if we hold this, we can possibly go at least back up to Asia lows for retest of the break, and then see can we hold that and continue lower. But for me, otherwise, I do see the daily key level 24, 26 being back on the cards now for gold. So going to be quite an interesting one from my side. But that is me. Over to Chris.
Chad, sorry man, some guys saying they've got lagging. Analytics showing on our side the stream health being solid. Stream is healthy and excellent. So I don't know, just make sure that you refresh the page. The Andy Steele Smith giveaway we're still going to do. We just need clearance from compliance for all further giveaways going forward. So we will be doing those. You did not miss it. You guys will know. And again, it's only for the guys that commented. So if you commented, well played on you. But yeah, just let me know. Streams is a better. Near Chris says Novia Rach. Okay, beautiful chat. Just keep me updated there. Guys, beautiful. As we said, as Keek said, data coming out a lot better. So 0.5 basis point cut is now completely off the table. A complete repricing happening here. Beautiful to see that shift. Economy is doing well. US 30, believe it or not, firecracker, we are buying it today. If you didn't like it at the high of the day, you're going to absolutely love it at the high of the session. But DXY, baby, let's look at it. DXY jumping all the way back to the upside. Massive pullback. Here's that key level all the way back to yesterday's key level when we were speaking about it during the news, or just before the news event yesterday. Massive pullback. Daily R3, key level there. Interesting times here. Things are as choppy as can be. I think the markets are trying to find its footing, trying to establish what is going on with the potential rate, no, not, it's Chad. It's not even a potential rate cut anymore. It is a rate cut. I would say things can be a little bit choppy if all of a sudden by the end of the week, the Fed futures are now starting to price in no rate cut. Then there's going to be a complete shift on the dollar, but let's keep it at a rate cut for September at this stage. Daily, just back in the range we go. If you didn't like a range, you're going to love it now. Absolutely back in that range. So 5 minute, let's see what we have on the 5. Markets are choppy. Markets are looking for direction. Monthly S1 there, beautiful. Weekly pivot all the way down here, monthly S1. Asia highs untested, Chad. I don't know what to tell you. This is a massive move. How much we correct, I don't know. Are we going to fade this entire move? We could not, but let's see. US 30, beautiful. Daily, as mentioned, coming into today, bullish. And if you didn't watch this morning's analysis, please go and watch it. Beautiful analysis here telling you guys that we are now within this range. And this will be our range for the foreseeable weeks to come. I'm thinking at least till we've got FOMC. But yeah, we are in this bullish cycle. We were bullish this morning. We are still bullish. We're actually buying on the firecrackers. So hope you guys are ready. It's actually now called the big satchel strat, from a firecracker to a T2 to everything combined being the big satchel. So weekly R2, monthly pivot up there. Daily R2, you guys know the drill. If we start holding daily R2s, daily R1s, we're going to the next one. So already up 0.81%. How bullish can we go? I don't know. Daily time frame for NASDAQ as well. We were bullish. Starting off this week. Beautiful, beautiful move to the upside. We still have this neckline to come and test here. And the bulls are back, baby. Capitalism is winning, believe it or not, even though the guys don't like it. Some guys saying capitalism is bad. I don't know, Chad. I don't know. That's a debate for another day, but let's not open up that can of worms now. I don't know. Is this an open gap, Keegs? Let me just check here on my... Yeah, that is an open gap. That makes it a little bit tricky going into the session. US 30, no gap there. NASDAQ, all right. The tech boys are out. They are ready to eat. Already ordering those Lambos. What's the new Lambos? The Revolta. What's it called?
The Revolta, yeah.
Revoltas are on standby, Chad. Believe it or not. Gold. Beautiful. As I mentioned, daily. Yesterday closing bearish. As we mentioned, we can now continue bearish. We are bearish on the day. That pullback a little bit deeper than we expected. I still told you guys a little bit earlier. Are we going to push back to come and retest that neckline? Massive liquidity sweep to the upside here, and now we've got that beautiful break there. 4 hour already fighting back. Interesting times here. 5 minute. What do we have on the 5, Chad? I think it's a beautiful pullback that we're getting here. Asia lows, Asia highs, daily pivot. I would say this is your ideal level of execution. That's where everything is converging, and even looking at the grids, previous daily low taken, daily pivot, Asia highs, Chad, it is now just it's a free-for-all. It turned into something that was quite neatly distributed. It's now a bachelor's. The guy's wife said, we're going to order you an Uber, leave your car at the place, and now it is reckless, it is ruthless, it is ugly, and yeah, there are going to be some consequences for the boys going into the session. But Chad, we've got some levels to monitor. Let's see how the market settles in. Assumption day in Europe, so expect a lot of volume. Today's going to be, even with the cracker, it's going to be in and out, all right?
Yeah, I definitely
Either
think so
haircut,
today.
either quick little haircut, little buzz cut. I don't know if you've seen Quibus Visa. If you love this buzz cut during 1995, you're going to love it on, what's that show? Talks and Chops. Or chops in Quibus, en ons gaan dalk in ons chops wees, maar ons glo nie. We're going to keep it clean. So actually I don't have a P yet today. We're just going to TP straight. We're not even going to need the P double E, just straight TP. But there you go, boys. That's my it's looking a little bit rough here, Keegs, but we'll see what we manage to do. You also have a buy for the cracker, eh?
Yep.
All right,
also a buy. Gonna be interesting, guys. How far are we sitting there, bro, from 11K?
I haven't checked. Let me check.
All right. I've been watching you guys eat for a while now. Join Prodigy today, onwards and upwards. Hey, awesome, bro. Glad to have you part of Prodigy. DJ spread the head and shoulder pair in this 1 hour time frame. Hi, guys. What's the name of the pivot indicator, please? Pivot standard.
Pivot point standard.
Pivot point standard.
Correcto.
Chris, hold your pee for another 6 minutes, please. Guys, I will guarantee when we're going to take it, he's going to need to. Either just before or just after the pee.
Bro, I don't know. Listen here, we need to get Chris to cut out my knees. I'm not going to have knees left, bro. My knee. I don't know how you sit on these things, but I need Quibus to go and cut him, my bro.
If he doesn't pee, I'm not taking anything. Every time he stays, we get a haircut.
Oh. All right.
Now, guys, it's going to be interesting. Yeah, 3 minutes to go. And also, guys, Project G, we're going to test it. Yeah, the setting in my account should be active again. So it should be in.
Keegs is back, baby. The man has done his R&D. He's back, ready, better than ever.
Might need to move the streaming equipment to the bathroom. We're going to put one of those little pull-out setups there. So it just pulls it out. And
13 subs. I believe there could be 13 guys. There could be 13 of you. If you have not done so yet, hit that like button. Subscribe. 13. You loved us at 200 subscribers. You're going to absolutely love us at 100K. And we're going to love you guys as well. So 13 more subs. Let's hit that subscribe button.
Okay. I wish you guys were teaching us the firecracker in Project G. The thing is, Giddy, there is going to become a point, the firecracker, and that is purely going to become for Project G in the sense only the trades will be shared on that group with the guys. We'll be taking the normal trades on stream. What's the name of the AD indicator?
Accumulation distribution. Keeks, bro, that thing is yo, dude, my dude.
I'm just trying to think, bro,
where do we take it though? I actually
if you're taking it, yeah, bro, I don't want to, because that's a big move, but I'd have to say, all the way back up, yeah, bro.
No, but here's the thing.
I'm
talking about the range. I had to add another range.
Yeah.
I had to add another range.
I've still got. I'm good.
How do you mean you still?
I still have.
You still have the one. I just added the other one, but
as long as it stays where it is now, I'm good.
Oh, Chad, baby, yeah.
Because literally, bro, if this thing drops, there's your first kind of level we're looking at, Chad. Otherwise, back up to there. This could be big.
Why do I see a US 30 gap as well? Oh my goodness.
Bro, we don't want to talk about that thing.
My goodness.
Let's not talk about that.
Come on, baby. Is this the yearly pivot? What is this blue I'm seeing? Monthly pivot.
Bro, there is literally, when I'm watching this now, we are really getting either almost an instant TP or today's one of those days we're going to get straight haircut. Are you going to pass the second phase if the firecracker wins now, Keegan? No. I never said that. No. The second phase one is down, bro. That thing is down. Not blown, but she's down.
Listen here. Yes, bro.
Alright, let's drop it down to the 1 minute, guys. Time to get saucy. It is round 8, ladies and gents. It's game time. Let's fight. Ding, 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 ding.
Yo, you meant it today, bro. I love it.
Let's get ready, Chad.
You meant it.
We're going to let you guys know when we are in. I'm going to open this up here on the side. Sheesh. Alright.
Yo, that thing is already doing work, my guy. Chad, baby, it is one of those explosive days. Yo, Keeks.
Come, baby, just be positive. Let's bring it home. Come on.
Yeah, so we're behind our high of the week. Chad, we don't. Yo, Keeks, so you're telling me. So you're telling me, dude, we have to make a choice here in 8 seconds. Dude, I don't know if I want to take this.
I'm in it, bro.
Are you in it?
Um,
Okay, I'm in it as well now. Are you in?
Bro, I promise you I'm in. I promise you I'm in.
Oh my sack, my bro.
I don't like this, trust me, but
Yo, this feels
Yo,
wrong
bro.
on so many levels. I'm in as well.
why does it do this to us, bro?
I entered another one. If you liked it once, you're gonna like it twice. If you liked it once, you're gonna love it.
Bro, as I said, this is those days. It was from the start. We were like, this is gonna be a haircut, or it was an instant TP. There was no two ways around
Yup.
this one.
Almost out, and volatile. It can never feel good buying the high of the session. The first
Never, bro. Never. And the first candle. Literally the first candle.
and I'm out. No, not out yet.
I'm out.
Oh yeah, I'm still barely in.
I'm out, bro.
Barely about to get out. Still in.
Let's see it. Hold on, chat. I want to see it. Discord, did that work? Let's see it. Looked like it worked on my side.
Yes, bro. That was never a good.
Okay, hold on. Remember, we never said that was gonna be good, bro. But you
No.
We
We have to. We have to. No,
do
you
it.
have to. It's a mechanical strat. Yeah, Steve, I'm still barely. Bro, just take me out.
Are you still in?
Dude, I'm still in. Let me bring it across here. I don't want to see the boys.
That is crazy, bro.
Let me just bring it across to my screen. Chat. Yeah, wait, let me bring it. You might see me. It stops now.
Bro,
There's the stop. Wait. Still in, wait. Gonna eat now. Just eat it. If I survive this, I can consider myself very, very lucky. There was my ad line. Didn't add there.
I never added the second time, so
Now, I always, as soon as I enter my first one, sure, dude. I don't know if I'm lucky or if I should just kill it or let it run. I don't even know, Chad. Dude, it's so.
I would even now take my second shot if it breaks again, because then I know I'm actually happy with it. I will be bleak then if I get clapped again, but I'm waiting for a break this time.
This one is a little bit off because that red line is where I actually wanted to add, but it was so jerky. So
Red
what?
line.
That red line there. Yeah. All right, Chad. Survived that. Yeah, I didn't move anything. The guys on the Discord will know. So I just want to show you guys how it looks, the trade alert. So I can't hide anything or say, oh, I didn't do this or that. So as soon as I entered, let me just bring it down. Jump to present. So this is connected to the account. That's where we entered. I set the stop losses, all of that. So nothing was weird, yeah. Before guys say, oh, Chris, but you did this or that.
Bro, that's not breaking it for me. I can't re-enter.
No, it's a horrific idea, but just
No,
purely
idea.
purely for the stats.
Wait, how is yours running now? Because your second position should be like up. So you should almost be a little bit in positive.
I'm barely break even. If we can't re-break this session high, I might just close everything and consider myself lucky for that sniff. That was literally a sniff. That was literally a sniff, Chad. So if we can't break these session highs in, let me just check here. Yeah, we already. It's already not looking. Chad, yeah, if we can break these highs, we're already up 1.2%. It's already. Let's see. Okay, we've created a resistance. We've created some type of support here. So we've created a little bit of a consolidation range. All right. So I'm gonna give it. one more shot. Maybe just a quick little blow off. Just blow off and then.
Chris, I really hate to be this guy, bro.
But you think it's gonna reverse?
I'm actually gonna enter a cell.
Enter the cell.
Yeah.
Enter
I
the
hate
cell.
to be that
No,
guy.
no, no,
bro.
enter,
I
no,
hate
no,
to be
have
that
to.
guy. But I think you know what I'm looking at. I think you know what I'm targeting.
I wanna nuke it. Chat, I'm out.
The fact
Break
that
even.
buy can't get past.
No, it's break even for me. No, I'm out. I'm out. No, fuck. If this thing runs now, I'll
Guys,
be
I'm
bleak.
not
No.
gonna put that cell on. I'm not gonna claim it if it works, but I'm not putting it on because that's just DJ activity. But I'm testing something, yeah. This is still on that other account, so I'm testing away, yeah.
So just waited for me to close and now it will run. Just waited for me. No, chat, I'm happy. Considering, okay, here's the thing. Considering my stop got sniffed. Let me just bring this across quickly. Considering my stop literally got sniffed, I consider myself lucky. So that's the result for today. It's basically 0.05%. So less than 0.1, 0.005%. Okay. I don't like it, Chad. The thing is, Keegan knows why I don't like it. We at a high of a session. We literally at the high, and even if it's gonna push bullish, this thing can pull all the way back to the monthly pivot, retest it, even back to the weekly R2. So it's just we did it for the stats. We did it. We followed what the cracker was telling us, but I consider myself lucky on that close. I consider myself lucky.
Like, my thing is, bro, if this thing, like, it is sitting, like, up at the moment, but I want to see purely, like, the thing is either hit the stop, or I literally want to leave it. I want to see if it's going to target, if it will go all the way to that area. Because keep in mind the initial, so Chris knows the initial way the strategy was built for was you actually target that thing the whole time. You always trade away from it or trade into it.
We at the target.
Yeah, where now it's kind of like reverse psychology, if that makes sense. So that's why I'm testing a theory here.
Watch it go. Peter, I've got no doubt in Price's ability to push up. It's just how volatile it is. You can get nuked and it pulls back. So to buy it at these highs was never going to be fun. We already said it. So, there we would have been. There I would have been stopped. So I think W management. W management in the sense of a little double top being formed. We failed to close above there. Beautiful. So Keegan obviously said he entered the cell. It's on your screen, Keys. Keys, my question is, obviously the bias is bullish. Do we now take a buy?
So okay, bro, but that's also the thing. Remember, so mine on the day, that was yesterday, but my weekly is actually bearish.
No, I know, but remember we already broke above the previous weekly high. So it's a smash play. Remember we talked about the smash play earlier in the week. So we can't be bearish anymore in the week. My question now is, the upper range. If we break into that range, would you consider a rebuy? Because technically, I still have a bullet, and that would have been the better.
For me, I wouldn't, because technically I have my extra bullet that I've used now on the sell, remember?
Okay.
So,
Makes
technically
sense.
my stop is a little bit back above the re-break of that level.
Okay.
So, where you, for example, would maybe consider that rebuy, by the time you consider it, that means the stop would have been hit on this one.
Okay. No, I'm meaning breaking range back in. Remember what I'm... No, I hear you. I don't know if this is degen activities because now it's breaking into.
Like, this trade's already there. Now, obviously, it's at the monthly pivot, so that's a big zone it's going to have to get past. But, yeah, as I said, guys, I promise you, I'm not trying to, like, I can show you it is in, but I just don't want to put it on the screen because it's proper degen, like what I'm doing now. But I am testing something. This isn't the T2. I'm literally just testing something.
Keeks, I might enter here. For reals.
For the bars.
I'm in.
The
I'm
bars.
in, yeah.
Bro, we literally faded each other.
I'm in. I still have a bullet.
Technically, guys, I am also going to go just break even on that other position. But yeah, we're going to see what happens.
Yeah, I'm just testing what we spoke about. Because remember, we were hoping to trade outside of that band. Remember, we were hoping we're trading below that band to trade into it. All right, Chatadonia, baby. Let's see. Need to hold this. Is this the monthly pivot?
Monthly pivot, bro.
All right, Chad. We need to hold this level. Otherwise, we are in trouble.
This is very uncomfortable, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie.
This is not
fun.
This needs to hold. Otherwise, it's going for the gap full. There it's going. Sheesh.
Yeah, leave it. I'm actually sticking to it. We're going to see if it hits that level. It's break even. So this thing, I'm not pulling it, bro. I want to see if it hits that level. If it does, I think we need to relook at the T2. I know we are.
That initial move.
Yeah, the initial move. I think we need yeah, exactly.
I agree with you.
So if this works here today, I think, yeah, I've got a bit of homework to go do.
All right.
This is interesting, yeah, bro. But I think that monthly pivot's gonna be the big point here. No.
I'm just thinking new opening high on the session. First little pullback, monthly pivot. Even if it gives us one last push to the upside, maybe. That's my idea. Just get a retest, almost of that little double top neckline. Let's see.
Neil, www.trademanagement.com. Hey, shop for the donut, Neil.
What I think is loud. I love it. Oh, Nila, baby. Nila, we are in here, my bro. We didn't take a trade this morning, so the boys, or I didn't take a trade, so I'm running and gunning, baby. I'm getting stuck in here.
Menti, keep seeing what I've been seeing. Yeah, so as I say, guys, that thing for me is very risk free, but want to see what's gonna happen. Yeah.
All right, beautiful. Holding that monthly. Let's see. Nice push. Beautiful. Come on. Give us one more push. Ooh, push up. Give us a little something. Chad, I'm looking on the kicks, and now my thing is there. You see there? Mm-hmm. If this one cannot close in the range, then I kill it. You check what I'm saying. You see what I'm saying. So the break of the range, but now if this thing fails this range here, I'm out. So 30 seconds.
I get you.
You check, because then it's going to your target range.
Yeah. I'd even actually scale mine in then, because you know why. But
yeah.
Then,
You can.
Because I'm already up, because I'm break even. So it's like you scale in that initial.
I'm out of it. Chad, break even. Keegan knows exactly why. Break even trade there for me. Out of it. Yeah. You check their kicks, and now a minor break of structure on the 1 minute, and it's going for your level. Chad, break even for me. Just want to show you guys, proper degen activities,
this is not. We do not promote this.
Took the buy there, closed it out there for basically a little bit of profit. But there's something we're looking at, Chad, and in good time.
Guys, I'm just going to do this so you guys can see. I'm not lying. There,
It's
you guys
just
can see where the positions are. They're running now.
Did you scale? Yeah, you scaled.
Yeah, I scaled it in.
Yeah,
so you guys can see there. But as I said, it's just like testing something out here for now.
Beautiful. Yeah, Keegs, I think that thing is solid. I'm not gonna machine gun another one here, but that minor break of structure on the 1 minute, beautiful. I wish they can see what we see. Then they would know exactly.
Yeah, you guys would understand 100% then what we're doing.
Keeks, you can target 40,260, bro.
Yeah.
Easy shorts here. I was a little slow there. Let me just check weekly R2. Yeah, I would even that weekly R2 once it gets below the weekly R2, my bro.
I think
beautiful.
It's gone then, bro.
Beautiful. Gold also rejecting, beautifully going for a new low on the session. Now it's at an awkward place now. It's in a very awkward zone.
It's got like so many levels. It's got to break through.
Chad,
now.
it's an awkward zone. This zone here is an awkward zone now because once it gets through here, it's gone.
Yeah.
Once it gets through there, you're going back to the daily R2, and then we're going back to this 200 EMA.
Yeah,
on the
that's
5
you
minutes.
got daily R2, and then you've got the daily R1. There's so many, but again, it's just got barrier after barrier after barrier. It's got to break through here now quickly. What are the other pairs doing though? If we just have a look at this quickly,
gold is dying.
Nasdaq kind of holding though. Gold's dying. DXY also having a bit of a moment. So it's interesting.
No, dude, I think if you you can get a beautiful position here. I don't know what you were risking, but I think you could get easily a 200-point trade here. 200.
Yeah, as I said, the big position, which was the obviously the first one,
the top one,
that one is risk free. So the other one's just chilling.
I would Keeks, quickly show me. Go to your terminal again. Yeah, it's on your screen. What you can do is are both positions the same size?
No.
Sure.
But what I can do is
Put
what
it
I
in the
will do
middle.
is pull that to the middle.
And pull the other one, that stop as well. Yeah, beautiful. Then you technically you're risk free.
Yeah. Let me see what it does.
Are you going for the gap fill? Sheesh.
I think at the moment.
Take the low hanging fruit, 40-88. Take the low hanging fruit.
Yeah.
Take the low hanging fruit.
I've just set it there because obviously I can't see that on the indicator and the numbers don't align. So I just set it there. But obviously when we're watching, if I see it hit there, I'll take it.
Okay, yeah. Chad, awkward little block here. I'm also getting ready to potentially take something here. I'm just letting you guys know.
You gotta join.
Yeah, no, I like it. I think same as that day when I didn't execute the double top. I think there's more. There's more going for that pullback than that's going for the upside.
Yeah.
There's more going for the pullback than for the upside move. But we'll see. I'll see how it steps here.
What is the chat saying?
Yeah.
Sorry, chat. I've obviously got the screen on the terminal, yeah. Saying it's
Seven
incoming
more.
keys. Yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen there, bro. You know, because keys. Yeah, the chat's been quiet unless I'm just not because.
Yeah,
obviously
chat.
I'm focused. Sorry, guys. It's just obviously we've got all the screens are on things, so.
Yeah, we're just trying to
manage the trades and do everything properly. Yeah.
All right, Chad. The next 2 minutes are going to be crucial for the downside move.
What is the 5 looking like?
The next 2
To
minutes.
be fair,
Yeah.
I still think, bro, if this 5 closes bearish, even if it's chilled a bit, but closes bearish, and it's because the first one was actually a break underneath. And if the next one has tested and closed bearish under their monthly pivot, I think it's good. Because the last five, you see what I'm saying? On the 5, this is looking good. Because the 5 retested the weekly R2.
I feel you.
Bounced back up, and it's rejecting. So there we go. Like that 5 now. If you get the break again now, there we go.
Just check DXY. Get DXY pulling back a little bit. This little range, we're going to need to get a break out of this range.
Yeah.
Chad, gold, I can't do anything yet. I cannot do anything yet. I'm going to need some structure here. Just letting you guys know, I am monitoring gold. And then US 30, there we go. There's that little zone. So let's see. If we can close outside of the zone, I think those shorts are good, but we're going to need to get a break either way. There's 2 ways this ends. There's the one we break lower. There's the one we break out, and we're gone. Chad, we're literally targeting this 200 EMA right there.
Yeah.
And the other one is the extension target is going to be weird. It's going to be awkward. It's going to be tough. It's the daily R3. Not saying that one is off the table. Remember, this is now the first little retest of the weekly R2 after this massive break above it. So that's what I'm saying. That we're going to be a little bit patient here today. It's not as fast and as furious as we usually have it, which is maybe a good thing.
A little bit of the patience game, yeah.
Okay.
Bro, this is again, I think, just that little test of psychology, like to trust the setup. Because right now, bro, it's like, bro, like you up like 5%. Like, close it.
No, man. Are you up 5%?
Yeah.
No, then you're an idiot. Then you're an idiot. No, Chad. Then he's an idiot. If he's still in the trade, I don't know. Chad, I wash my hands. You see me? I'm washing my hands clean.
Okay, hold on. But listen. That first trade was 2% down.
Okay. But still.
So
5.
then I'm technically only up 3.
Dude, it's 3. Chad, I don't know what to say. I don't know.
Check out now the answer change, Chad.
Chad, I don't know. I'm washing my hands. This man is up 5%. He's like, nah, it's fine. No.
I've moved the stops even more down, bro. The stops are...
No. Keegan Darius. That's naughty, my bro. Naughty. Keegs. No, man.
Right.
No, man. What is this naughtiness you're doing? Yeah, Keegan.
Don't do that, bro. Don't do that.
Yeah. Okay, Chad, get ready. I might take if we can
join us, bro.
I will join the gang.
One of us.
Okay, Chad, get. Right, it's holding that weekly R2, eh? It is. Oh,
the break is coming, bro. It's coming.
It's all the.
Come on.
5, 4, 3. Come in.
There's
Shorts,
the
Chad.
break. Come on.
We just need a continuation of this bearish order flow.
Eh? The 5 actually closed off under it as well.
The 5 as well.
Oh.
5 as well.
5 as well.
Yeah, Chad, took a short here with you guys. Want to see if we can hold below that monthly pivot. We've already tested it, failed. Weekly R2 got a bit of an open gap. Daily R2 hasn't been tested. That's the idea. Daily R2. I'm just gonna quickly throw on my screen here, just to show the guys we're not completely crazy here in what we do. Chad, the idea here very simple. Keeg's already up higher, so I don't know if you guys are in with him, but the idea is monthly pivot rejected. Okay, monthly pivot rejected there. There we held our support. There we break down lower. We are stepping to the downside. So order flow is still bearish. There we had a nice little break of structure. There was the first break below it. Big thing is if we were going to hold the weekly R2 after this 1 test, 2 test, Maybe this third test, it will push up, and that's fine. But currently, there's a lot riding on it to the downside. So more than happy to take a little squeeze at it here. And like I said, daily R2 untested. We're going to see if we can crouch it back to that level. Otherwise, if we start holding this weekly R2 level and we start breaking outside here, like I said, then we are going for that daily R3. All right, so just letting you know, it is a little bit messy here. It is a little bit uncomfortable, but as long as we hold below that level there, I think we're good. Okay.
Yeah, so for me, the next 5, if this 5 doesn't close underneath as well, then I'll get out. But otherwise, I'll back this trade, bro.
Yeah, no, I think I just don't like the way it's stepping. It's giving you that descending wedge vibes for the guys that know the descending wedge. But it's valid. It's valid. Myself and Keegan has got a lot of work to do and a lot of discussing. There's a lot of potentials. There's a lot of ways to get through the nooks and crannies.
Yeah. And the more this has been going down, bro, I've just been bringing that stops down and down. The stops almost even on the second position.
It's very. Here's the thing. It's very overlapping coming down.
Yeah.
It's very overlap. Chad, just be aware.
I think
at
this
any
thing's either in a
stage, this thing
waterfall at
can
some
rip.
time.
Yeah. At any stage, this thing can just rip. I'm just letting you guys know. At any stage, we can just see a rip back to the upside.
That's why I can just imagine the Discord probably getting a bit irritated with me. But every time we are breaking it a little bit lower, stop loss coming down, coming down, coming down. Because as much as like Chris is saying, this thing can just pop. It's going to either drop or it's going to turn around and that weekly R2 is going to hold. This can be such a nice trade, bro.
Yeah, check there. There's because we're in a zone now where it can start ripping.
Let's just say this next 5, if this 5 closes back above the weekly R2, I'm going to kill it. I'm out.
This current 5. This I check you. I feel you.
Because I want to see this.
Yeah.
We can have the retest.
This is the retest.
Under,
This is the retest.
Even if it closes small but closes bearish and fails the retest, I'm happy.
Even at 1 minute, beautiful test. Let's see.
I need to see it.
Oh, just needs to start breaking the lows. Okay, here we go.
There we go. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
Come on, baby. Give it to the boys.
Run for us.
Give it for the boys. This is where the supply and demand traders. There's an order block on the left. Are we gonna get order blocked, or are they gonna get order blocked? Yeah, Chad. I'm also just reducing my stop a little bit to 40 points, just above that previous little session.
Yeah, so I'm completely risk free.
Okay, break even on everything.
Well, technically, because the first
just show your thing. Otherwise, guys that come on for the first time are going to be confused. Just show your positions.
So both the positions on the second one, you can see it running there now, Chad. So yeah, this is all risk free now.
I'm not risk free yet, Chad. Remember, I entered a little bit later, but it's still looking alright for me. I just don't want to get order blocked here. We are in an order block.
But that 5 did close bearish now. And that was the 50 and the 15. I like it, bro. I like it.
You dig it. You're feeling it.
Feeling it, bro. Come on, go back to daily R2. And on the 5, we took out the previous lows.
Yeah, I dig it.
I like it.
I'm actually gonna.
This has been a grind, this one though, bro. Flip.
Oh, it's been a grind. Chad, I've reduced my stops again. Is there news coming out, Keegs? I think there is.
Don't tell me that, bro.
No. 4 o'clock. There is housing index, business inventories.
Come on, just go there. Get this done before us.
Come on. Are we gonna go for that little wick full? It's been a busy session, my bro. We've been.
There we go.
The boys have been getting their powder wet here.
Come on.
This has been a wet powder session.
This hasn't been the typical session, bro.
No, this is a bit of an R&D.
R&D, but I think this is also a proper thing of where we always talk about how a trader must react.
Yeah. Chad, yeah, for the guys that entered with me, I just want to give you guys an idea of what I've done so far. I just moved my stop in behind, not this one, because a lot of times you can just see a knee jerk, take the previous 5-minute high and then still drop. So as soon as this 5-minute candle closes, then I think we're solid. We just need to close below this little zone here. Otherwise, we can start pushing back to the upside. But now what I'll do is in 3 minutes, if this closes bearish and we're still below this level here, beautiful, all I'll do then is I'll just move it in below. So then we've already halved our risk. Okay, so risk is already reduced. It's now just a case of we need to get below this zone. Okay, there's the official retest of that weekly R2 now. Clean break below. Now the retest, let's see 30 seconds, Chad. 30 seconds for the 1 minute, sorry. 2 minutes 30 for the 5. Let's check. Back on your screen, Kicks.
Oh, it's chill. I'm watching, yeah. I was just reading the chat a bit there. Yeah, bro, I don't know who was asking there, do we only trade Brent oil? This isn't Brent oil, but...
No, it's US30. Yeah, I see you don't have a watermark on. It's US30. It's US30, my brother. We trade mostly US30 and gold. Those are the two ones we trade.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Yeah, man. Come on, give it to the boys. Yay, boy. Yay, boy.
Because I think we might have something we're going to have to look at, bro.
Yeah. It is something we observed.
No, we have observed it a few times, but now it's like, okay, maybe we need to consider this now. Bro, I'm up 7%.
Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Come on, push, push, push. All right, Chad, a little bit more. Then
I hit 7. I'm out, bro.
Oh, you're out. I'm almost out.
I'm out, Chad. I'm out, Chad. You guys will see.
Wait, let me just check if it's well done, my brother.
We out there, Chad. I'm not gonna risk it and be greedy just to be like, it was a beautiful trade. We made back the 2. We're up now 4%. It's, you know what? I'm happy with it. I'm happy with that.
Okay, I'm still in, Chad. I'm
so
just waiting
7K. I'm happy to call it a day.
Chad, one last little push, push.
Like, I know I broke the rule. I still think it's gonna go to that zone, bro. I really do, Chad, but I just think it's
yeah, baby.
Beautiful trade,
Chad, yeah, it's just for the guys that entered with me as well. Beautiful. I exited as soon as it came there.
I'll just show the guys. Yeah,
I didn't even chance it.
You guys can see there, so this account.
Wait, let me just put it on your screen, Kick. Sorry, man.
Yeah, so you guys can see there this account, guys.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
It can still run, but you know what? I'm happy. It made back and it's there. So just being full transparent for you guys.
Chad, sorry, man. This a little bit of a different. I think both me and Keegan were pretty locked in here.
Yeah.
Because we're trading it on the 1 minute and we were very, very locked in here. So apologies if we didn't check the chat. I do apologize, but beautiful session. There she goes.
Phenomenal week, Keegs. Appreciate it. As I say, guys, so literally the zone we are talking about on the chart, I promise you, I'm going to say it's over here. Like, this is
a little bit lower. Is that the 1 minute? Is that the 5 minute or the 1 minute?
There, Chad, that's literally there. That's the TP right there. So this is where I would have closed full. This was the TP of what we were aiming for. But as I said, like that difference, guys, from already, I think I was in over there. The first position, second position was over here. I'm not going to be greedy now. I'm not going to be greedy and just be a doer and let that turn around, and that's potential. It's been a great week, as the guys said there, so I'm going to take it, and I'm very, very happy with that.
Yeah, I think it's been a phenomenal week. So currently, this week, last week, this week, we up almost 3R. Or me personally, Kicks, I'm up almost 3R. So whatever you were risking, if you're risking 2%, that's 6% for you. If you were risking 1%, that's 3% for you. But yeah, Chad. Still DJ activity though, Chris being a machine. Dylan, not really. There's every single trade we took here today add validity to it.
Yeah, I used my second bullet, so technically I followed my rules. I had 2 bullets, I took 1 shot, took the second shot. As I said, we're just talking about adapting there. The guys that are Project G, they'll see exactly. As I said, for you guys, I didn't put it up there because I don't want to promote that. But the Project G guys, they got my entry. They know the exact time I entered, exactly where I entered. So they know exactly where I was. They can validate it. I mean, you guys.
But why is your profile picture different? Oh, mine is also different. Hey.
Otherwise.
No. I see Frana change our profile pictures.
On Discord.
Sheesh. Yeah. Sheesh.
How did you get access to my stuff?
No, man. No. The profile picture on the actual app. The bot.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see. Yo, Chad is Keegan guy. Machine gunner. Damn.
So, yeah.
Damn.
Nah, good one, Chad. I think, honestly, bro, it's a little bit early, but I think that is the session then, bro. I'm not going to worry about too much. Bro, look how close that is there. I really think that's going to hit it. I'll talk to you after stream. I think I know the change. Literally as simple as it is, I think I know the change I'm going to make for the strat.
Going forward.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I think I want to test it a bit going forward.
Okay, I already know. So you're going to wait for the initial push into whatever range.
We always caught the manipulation and not the distribution. And I think I know the way to identify when the manipulation is finished and the distribution is going to start. And we're just going to then target that distribution. Bro, if that... as much as I'm happy, I'm going to be bleak if that does hit TP. Because that for me is still like another $3,000 difference. But, yeah.
Chad, it has been... I love how you quickly switch bias. That is some soldier-ish. Niza, the thing though with trading is the following. Is you need to think what is the path of least resistance for price. And if you looked at it, we were trading. So look at this. What was easier for price to do up here? Was it easier to attract more buyers? Or was it easier to just even have guys that maybe bought here for them to start selling to actually lock in their profits? So that's the only reason why we shifted our bias to say that, okay, listen here, on a 1 minute time frame, that is the monthly pivot right there. And this is the zone we were talking about, and saying that, okay, if we cannot hold the monthly pivot level, which is a massive, massive level, very likely we can pull back. And then after that break there, Keegan actually took it up there because there's another reason on the other side that you guys don't know of yet. But then I took it here after that break of structure. So it's just purely following the order flow. If you go to, so when we entered the buys here somewhere, we gave it the chance to say, are we going to create a new session high? So if you've been trading with us, I'm not even going to answer this. Chad, what do we expect? I'm just going to let the Chad that's been with us. Chad, we've created a session high, a daily high. What do we expect if price comes there again? And I'm going to give it to the Chad because this is stuff we preach every single day. Chad, you guys that have been with me, once we pulled back and once we pushed there again, what do we expect? Okay, Neil, volume correct. Neil, what is the 2 things that can happen at that level? There's only 2 things that can happen. There, Peter gave it to us. If it breaks, it goes up. If it does not break, it's usually coming down. And that's why we shifted and said, listen here, very likely it's not going up. And then we just followed the order flow here. And there, I said that 200, 5 minute, after 200 EMA, as always, dynamic support and resistance for us to target. And boom, that's the trade. Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful.
No, I think that's it, guys.
yeah, I'm done. I'm happy. It
Chris,
was a
you want to go full screens, bro?
yeah. Let's full screen this thing.
Yeah. Guys, I think it was a very...
Wait. Here we go.
I think it was a very good way to end off the week, the day. We obviously still have tomorrow coming up, but it's been a very, very massive week for us. And I think twice this week, we've shown you guys how you can take a trade, trust your buyers, take it a second time, and come off. This time, we showed you guys today how you can adapt and, like you say, identify you're on the wrong side of it, take the other side, and catch the trade. So, yeah, bit of I think it's a very good stream in that sense, because you've had two different scenarios how both can come out and how be productive as a trader. Yeah, I think moving forward it's going to be very eventful. We've got something to look at with the T2 and everything. We're going to see some changes come into it. That's the whole point of why we test these things. We talk about it. There's a list of volume. You don't just do 5, 6, 15 trades and go, this is a trade, I'm going to sell it for 10,000 Rand. No, you at least in a back test of I always say a minimum 100 trades. Because as we do that, we're going to start discovering and figuring these type of things out. So still some big things to come for it. I think we've caught onto something now which might give us bigger moves. Maybe, as you say, not the initial spike that in and out. We're going to sit here for 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, whatever it is, but we're going to get some big moves. So Chris, any closing remarks from your side?
No, Chad, I think even with my guys from Project G, we had a chat today, and I said coming back from the last 2 weeks, bad trade management from myself. I've been open and transparent with my results as well, with the FTMO, all of that. So, again, it's just a case of how do you pick the pieces up? You had a bad performance. How do you refocus? How do you regain that confidence to say, listen here, where did I go wrong? I could have been positive again, but again, you have to taper your risk back. As we go closer to the end of the week, maybe we end the week positive in terms of the actual account balance from the starting balance. And then from next week, we can start adding risk, say going 0.75% per trade and not 0.5%. But ultimately, it's just about having focus, having that composure, and sticking it out. So last session tomorrow, as always, the guys in the office know, Keegan knows, all of us know, what do we do to the tail end of the week, Keegs, when it comes to our workflow and output?
Hey, you got to finish strong.
We ramp it up, Chad. So let's finish it strong. Come in tomorrow morning. I feel there's still going to be a lot of volume. Let's finish off tomorrow. We've got 2 sessions left. And here's the thing. It's not always necessarily how you start, but it's how you finish. So if you can finish off tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon with a banger, you're really going to be positive going into Monday. You're going to have an awesome weekend. So see you guys tomorrow, same place.
Hold on, just before we do go, Nico, first time profits, that's awesome, bro. But Chris, how many subs are we from away from 11, bro?
Let's quickly check it. I think we were 5, dude. We were literally, wait. We were 5.
Yeah, bro, that thing was inches away from TP anyway. But I'm happy.
Dude,
happy.
5. Chad,
5.
do we honestly,
are there 5 of you
not
who are not subbed?
Chad, we can have 5. There must be 5.
There must be 5 of you. Yeah. We got 176 at the moment. Again, the guys have TP, they've left.
Chad.
176, there must be 5 of you that haven't subbed yet.
The pipper and dippers. They pip and they dip. It's not chip and dip, it's pip and dip.
Come on,
dude,
Chad.
5, I'm refreshing it. Come on, Chad, 5 guys. Come on, hit that subscribe button. We gave you guys a banger here.
Come on, 5, yeah, Chad. 5, that's it.
Dude, it's not even moving. Wait, let me just check here on the... It's like pulling teeth here.
Let's go to YouTube studio.
Yeah, I'm also going to go studio views now.
No, we need 6.
What is that song? Is it Royalty?
Yeah, Royalty. We need 6. Come on,
is that
Chad.
The mashup? Let's bring Royalty in here. 6, Chad. Give it. Come on, Chad. You guys have done a lot more. You guys are the soldiers here. We've seen you guys trade with us for 24 hours. We've seen Etienne hold the fort when I went to bed here for an hour on the couch. We've seen Slashy slogging it out here. You boys have been here from the start. When we needed you, you guys were holding the line. Come on, baby. 5 more. Is it 5? Can't be 5. Can't be 5. Can't be 5, Chad. Come on. You
Three
guys,
more. 3 more. Come
Chad,
on.
you guys are not like any other community. You guys are built different. You think different. You do things differently. And that's why you are where you are, guys. 3 more, baby.
This industry is going to change the game.
Yeah.
This community is built like no other.
Nah, Chad, this community, you guys are... Dude, 1 more.
1 more, Chad. Come
on, baby.
Who's the lucky number 1? Come on. Hey, 11K, baby.
Wow, Chad.
Hey, 11K, baby.
Chad, you guys are incredible, man. You guys are just on another level. We can go to war with you guys, honestly. If they ever tell me, listen here, you need to assemble an army, and I'm like, listen, there's 11,003 people, and these are the guys that I will go to war with. 11,003. All right. Chad, again, Keeks. I think we have to, Chad, we have to take our hats off to you guys. You guys are what everything is about.
We wouldn't be here without you guys.
Chad, it is the entire thing we're doing here, and if we ever lose sight of that, if we ever lose sight of this being about the community, about you guys, we've lost the plot completely. Okay, yeah. And it's something every day we talk about. It's always what is in it for the community. How do we build the community? And that is what will make sure that this channel, whatever this channel faces, difficult, whatever, this community is what makes this channel what it is. And again, it's not for us. It's not for the name. It's not for Chris and Keegan to pump us up. It's the 2Gs community. All right. When you guys see 2Gs, that is you. You part of the Chad, 2Gs. You guys are part of that. You guys are the body, the arms, the feet, the head, all of you guys. So, Chad, much love. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys.
All right, Chad. So on that high note, it was a TP, 11K. We're going to come back, and as you said, coming back stronger tomorrow, finishing strong. So as you always say, take care of yourself, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Cheers, baby.